What's up, guys? So today we are going to be doing an unboxing today, and we're going to be doing the 2020 MacBook Air. So we have today the 13-inch MacBook Air 2020 with a 1.1 gigahertz dual-core processor, i3, and with 8 gigs of memory and two 56 gigs solid state drive. So yeah, let's get unboxing. Okay, we're gonna peel this thing. Gonna be like I Justine and rip this thing off. And it smells so pretty. The new apple smell. I wish y'all can smell this. It smells amazing. It smells like mac and cheese. Look at this! Oh my god. It's so beautiful. It's so much bigger. I thought it was gonna be smaller than I thought. So this one is a space gray. And I didn't do much upgradings to it, so got the old standard stuff to it. Ready? So what else we got in the box? We got our power cord. Finally USB-C. Cause come on, Apple. We are late on the game. What else we got in the box? We got our paper stuff. Hopefully. Apple stickers and the space gray ones. Fun. And then we have our brick, 30 watts. Not as much as mine, but oh well. In comparison to my MacBook, which is the MacBook Air, silver, and my new one, the MacBook Air, which is 13-inch with space gray, which this one goes to my sister, not for me. Side comparison there. Okay, so let's boot her up. It's already booting up right when I open it. Now this MacBook has a Touch ID, which is located right here. Now there's no on button to it. It's great. Now this one also has the new Magic Keyboard, which...
Use English as the main language. Press the return key.
Okay. She speaks. But like I was saying, this one has the Magic Keyboard, which has the new scissor mechanism, which is great because with the older MacBooks, it had the butterfly keyboard, which was really a painkiller. I mean, real painkiller. Watch. Yeah. Real naughty there. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and set up this new MacBook. Now this one has the two USB-C ports and one headphone jack. And this one starts at $99.99. So yeah, $999, or educational price for $899. Now educational, you can use that if you have your college ID or email such, or if you work for a company that actually has the 10% discount, which would be great. So I used to work at a Target and they gave me 10% off all Apple products. So that's how I got my MacBook. So side comparison of the MacBook Pro and the MacBook Air. Now you can see this one I have is the butterfly keyboard, which is the most awfulest design ever made by Apple, because this would get stuck real quick and you would have to like clean it really frequently. With this one, it's a new keyboard. So this one's a new Magic Keyboard, which has a new scissor mechanism, which is better, I guess. I'm not too sure, but we're gonna test it out. So this is typing with the MacBook Air. This is mine. Great. So that's it for this unboxing. Comment down below what do you guys want me to do else with this new channel of mine. This is the second video, so hope you guys like it. Leave a like and subscribe also as well. And yeah.